Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important things to consider before buying any gas cooker or stove. Things to consider before buying any gas stove or cooker. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Let's go to the business. If you want to buy a gas cooker like this, look at this one. You see? A gas cooker like this. So before you buy any gas cooker, you need to consider some certain things. You need to consider some certain features so that your gas cooker will last. So if you have a gas cooker, the first thing you need to consider is the burner. Look at this one. You look for a molded burner, not ordinary burner. You see, you can touch it, you can feel it. See, it's very solid. It's made with cast iron so that it can resist the heat. You see, look at this one too. It might be of different shape. This one is made of cast iron, which can resist heat loss. So that is the first thing you need to consider before buying any gas cooker. Check the both sides to make sure that they are the same and of the same material. If you carry this one, look at the thickness, look at the molding, so it can resist heat, so your burner can last for some time before you begin to tell stories. Because there are some burners, look at this. This is the burner I'm talking about. Not that it's only this one, but this type of burner, this one is good. But look at this. This is just a folded pan that doesn't have any quality. It doesn't have quality at all. So look at it. If you keep it as light as, look at it. But look at this one. It's cast iron, made of cast iron. Very strong. So that is, by the way, about the burners. So after that, the next thing you need to consider is the what? Is the seater. This is the seater, the one that carries pot. You check the material and how thick it is so that it can resist heat for the meantime. Look at this one. That is what you need to consider. Check the material and the thickness, because the thickness matters. Because for it to rust, it will continue reducing the thickness. So you consider this. Look at this type. It's of different types, so that before you want to buy anyone, don't buy just you have seen the carton. You can feel it, you can touch it. That is one thing. The second part of it you need to consider, because when this thing is destroyed, you cannot just place your pot on top of the cooker alone. So that is the second step. Then as we go on, let me show you the final one. The final one is the table, the top of that cooker. This one is made of stainless or iron. The top, which one do you prefer? Which one do you want? Look at this one. This one is a glass top. A glass top. See the thickness of the glass? It's a very high tempered glass. So you should consider the type of material it's made of. This is made of tempered glass, which can resist heat for a period of time. So all these things are what you need to consider before just buying any gas cooker. Not just buying because it's beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. It's free. Thanks once again for watching.